Hi y'all, and welcome back to Country Cooking. Today we're making peanut butter granola. This recipe is inspired by Once Upon a Chef granola. Go ahead and check out her recipe. I changed it just a little bit. In my bowl, I've got 4 cups of oatmeal. I use the old-fashioned oats. They're the bigger grain. And if only thing that you have on hand is the quick oats. I did use those one time and it worked. So don't just, use what you have on hand. If you only have quick oats, feel free to sub, but preferably it's the old-fashioned. And to this, I'm going to put in 1 cup of chopped nuts. Use whatever you have on hand. Today I'm using pecans, but I normally use walnuts. And I always put in about a half a cup of flaxseed because it's so healthy and has omega-3s and it has fiber and it has protein just to make the granola more healthy. Okay, into my saucepan, I put in 1/2 cup of avocado oil. I put in 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I put in 1/4 cup of honey, 1/4 cup of maple syrup, 1/8 cup of brown sugar, and 1/2 cup of peanut butter. On the peanut butter, you can add more if you like a more intense peanut butter. But what we're going to do is just get this warm enough to where the sugar dissolves and the peanut butter is melted. It will make stirring this into our granola a little bit easier into the oatmeal mixture. So I'll give this a stir and then we'll see what it looks like. Okay, you can see I just warmed it up just enough to melt the peanut butter and dissolve the sugar, and everything is mixed together. To me, this is an easier way to prepare the granola. Okay, now I have poured the peanut butter mixture into my oatmeal mixture, and I'm just going to stir these two together. You will mix everything until there's no more dry oatmeal. All the oatmeal will be covered in the peanut butter mixture. Okay, I put this out on a sheet pan, and all I'm doing is just spreading this out in an even, just evenly throughout my pan. And I will bake this in an oven that is preheated to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will bake it for 15 minutes. And then when 15 minutes is up, I will get it out and I will mix it up. I will show you what that will look like. Okay, this is the 15 minutes is over, and so all I'm going to do is just give it a little stir all over the pan. Give you an idea what that stir would look like. And you can tell that it's still kind of wet looking. The goal is to get it a little more dry. So after the first 15 minutes, I stir it. Then I'm going to put it back in the oven for another 15 minutes. And after that 15 minutes, it should be done. And we'll take a look at it at the end of the next 15 minutes. Okay, this is the end of it. It is baked total 15 minutes. And you can see that it is drier than what it was the first time I pulled it out. So we're just going to let this cool, and you can eat it with milk as cereal. You can put it over, mix it with the yogurt. Anything you usually eat granola with, you can eat this. Now remember, this is peanut butter granola. And if you like these type of videos, please hit the subscribe button and the like. Until the next time, remember that this is the day the Lord has made. Rejoice and be glad in it. Until next time, bye, y'all.